Video 14.2, Rising Scales by Mattei. Mattei worked in Bologna, and he was a student of Padre Martini. In comparing Bologna and Naples in terms of basses, the basses in Bologna tended to be a little bit more chromatic, and they used figures in places where in Naples they would not. So here we have a heavily figured bass that begins with a rising scale, has a tenor cadence and then a double cadence, and below it is a keyboard realization from around the year 1800 by a student. Here's another Mattei bass with a rising scale beginning, realized by Mattei himself in the form of a string quartet. The notes were originally not colored, but the purpose here is to show that the red notes at the beginning are part of the 7-6-5 suspension pattern of the scala schema, or the rising scale. Then when you see the magenta descending tones in the soprano, that's a Prinner riposte, and in the alto you see the green notes, which indicate the very close relationship of the Prinner, the double cadence, and the descending rule of the octave from 8 down to 5. In the middle with blue and red notes in alto, well, I guess maybe partly orangey notes in the soprano and blue in the alto. Those are 5-6, 5-6 patterns in relation to the rising bass. And then at the final two measures, in orange we have the tenor voice of a double cadence, and in green, in the alto, we have what would be the normal soprano voice. So more or less every two measures, Mattei is presenting one of the standard schemas.